Well, let's move on to our second question. And Brian, we'll start with you this time. How do you think engagement influences how successful Baytown is able to maintain its overall sense of community?
So engagement is an important component of maintaining what we say instilling community pride. What we value as a city, what our citizens value. Um, there's been one thing that we've implemented here is bringing on a community engagement coordinator with their role. In order to further connect us in a different way, with our citizens by working specifically closely with our civic associations, civic groups, nonprofits, as well as our neighborhood associations, and from that stemmed a new neighborhood empowerment grant to work with citizens as well as neighborhood associations to put together programs such as public art. And I think one of the programs stemmed from that is a storm drain campaign to put together different pieces of art to paint on the storm drains, to instill collaboration, and to show the community, what are you interested in, is one thing that we have done here. In addition, we've implemented, we did an FAQ video with the mayor, Harris County Public Health Authority, as well as the hospital, determined, in particularly with COVID, to showcase things that are happening in the community, in addition to what we're doing as a city.
Yeah, that's interesting. Would you say that Baytown has got a high priority on resident engagement in terms of just community activities?
Yes, we do. Even prior to my arrival, I've taken over our strategic planning process, which is community based. We have 5 strategic directives, and with that, we actually measure, which is available to the public to view, to determine, and you can see where our progress is, where we are. We're entering into year 4 of that plan as we speak. And so we didn't do one for this year because of COVID, but we also do an annual citizen survey to really evaluate and assess where we are and where we're moving forward, to strive to make sure that we're meeting those 5 strategic directives that derived from the community-based strategic plan.
That's great. That's very cool. Yeah, congrats on having that strategic plan approach.